Hello everyone, so let's see how you can install Ubuntu as a dual boot. For example, if you have Windows and you also want to install Ubuntu and you want to keep both operating system, then this method is for you. And even if you don't have USB drive, then I'll tell you how you can do that without USB drive. Search for Google for Ubuntu and visit the website and download the latest version. After downloading it, press the window button and type disk management and you will see this option. Click here. After it, we need to create a partition as a bootable USB so that we can use Ubuntu from it. So right click on any partition and shrink volume. Now we have to set it to 8 GBs. So put this number and click OK. Now we have a partition. Make sure you create a partition with the formatting FAT32. Click next and that's fine. Now new volume is created. We can use it as a bootable USB. You don't need external USB at all. Now you need to download this software, Universal USB Hub. Go to its web page and download it, install it, and here you need to select Ubuntu and you need to select the Ubuntu ISO file which you downloaded earlier from its official website. Now select the partition or the drive space which you created just now with FAT32 formatting and just click yes. You have to wait for a while. Once it is done, close the window and restart the system. And when you are restarting, you need to go into boot menu. Most of the system have F2 or F12 key for the boot menu. Once you are in boot menu, you need to select the drive which you have created for bootable USB or booting the Ubuntu. In my case, it is this UEFI OS, so it should be named like this. Click on it and you need to try or install Ubuntu. Click here and then your Ubuntu installation is started. Now click next. If you want to delete the Windows and you want to keep only Ubuntu, then you go to option erase disk and install Ubuntu. If not, then you use this option install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. So click on it. Next, now you set the size or allocation of hard disk or drive space which you want for Ubuntu. Now create your account. Put your name and password here. Select your time zone and that's all. Let it install. Now you have to restart the system. After restarting, select the Ubuntu. And if the Ubuntu is not opening, then go to boot menu and set the priority to Ubuntu. And once you click on Ubuntu, the system logs in and you can check it is installed. And restart the system again. Now you can select the Windows operating system from this option, Windows Boot Manager. Click on it and you will see your Windows is installed also. So both of the operating system are installed alongside each other. Thank you so much for watching this video.